Nature and sounds in nature are important. I am passionate about this because I have always loved making strumming sounds, and in nature you can hear magical and wonderful sounds. Listening to nature sounds can be good for physical and mental health and relaxation. It also lowers your heart rate. Now I'm gonna play some nature sounds. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about an experiment where people who usually didn't go outside, people who usually played video games or didn't really play with friends outside and just inside, they had to spend just a few minutes every day interacting with nature for 30 days. And those people, their health improved by 30%. And remember, when you have a second, when you are outside, take a second to listen to the sounds of nature.